grabbing some water, and you can hear the turbo coupe out there running. Got a wisdom tooth out, so bear with me. So we're going to the dyno today. Should be pretty sick, or better than the last couple times, I think. It's actually not too loud in here. Don't mind the sunroof panel. Got our bread for safe eating. We're gonna let her warm up first. Transmission's also warming up. If it can be. So we put the fuel pressure sensor in the right location in the feed line, not in the return, which is where it was, which is wrong. We changed the fuel pressure regulator, so now we should be regulating the fuel normally. And we got a new wastegate on and a confirmed 0.5 bar spring in it, because last time pretty positive it was a 0.7 bar spring, and we were over boosting to like 1.7 bar, so this time it should be good. Oh yeah, I rewrapped the downpipe and did a couple other things too, so she should be Gucci, I hope. We should have changed the oil though, probably, but could do that after, I guess. And the oil realistically has like 500 kilometers on it, maybe less, so should be all right. Thank God the wipers work. When you're just cruising, it cruises really nice, honestly. Just have it in D, just goes. And then, yeah, nice. The AFRs are a bit rich, but that's better than being lean, so everything else looks good. We're always happy with the outcome after going to the tuner. Bartek does an amazing job. He's one of the smartest dudes out there. So the car was tuned at Auto Race Pal, and they unfortunately had a fire happen in the garage, which pushed back all of their stuff a lot. And fortunately, we were able to get in there and able to get the car tuned. After picking it up, the car immediately went to RS service for a transmission diagnosis, and turned out that the fluid was just not full. So, and possibly not the right fluid. I was not the one that bought it or chose the fluid. So now we are here. So we picked the car up from the tuner. Engine bay wise, everything is the same, but it did go to a garage called RS service, and they topped up the trans fluid and made the transmission issues and noises go away. So that's finally fixed. Now we're here at M Tuning picking up this one hose we need for the catch can, and then we're gonna go get some oils in this bitch. But she finally works. You can finally go full throttle and do a pull. As you can see, we're driving the car. When it's driving like this, it's very smooth, doesn't make any weird noises. It's not overly loud. Got the windows down. I guess we could open the sunroof, but it's kind of cloudy. It's like a normal car, right? There are still some TCU things we need to figure out with the turbo Lamech to get all the shifts perfect. But I mean, it's quite touchy right now. If you give it like gas, it just downshifted there automatically too. So it still needs a few refinements, but overall it's working and driving. We're in traffic. We're gonna do a small launch. I'm not gonna go full throttle, but give you a little show of what it does. 50% throttle from a stop and up to about 100. This thing's fucking crazy. If you did full throttle, it'd be going sideways everywhere. The LSD works really good. We're here at the garage where the Forbidden Compacts are still taking over, so we're doing the oil change outside. For the oil change, don't mind that. Garbage. We're using VR1 for the engine, a male filter, OEM goodness. And then for our new LSD, some Moto Gear Competition 75-140. So the diff was just rebuilt fully with new bearings.
I know I just been waiting, these problems I've been facing, yeah. I know I just been waiting, these problems I've been facing, these drugs that I've been slinging, I can't stop, no. My soul is set ablazing, this fire I can take it, my problems I just face them, I won't stop, yeah. Now you need a bump to get back up. Now we chillin' in the backseat and we both fucked up. Yeah, we headed back to my crib, but we both want love. But I can't show love, cause I ain't about that shit. Nah, now we chillin' in the crib.
What a fun view.
I'll be sippin' on my syrup, I'll be smoking this weed, talking in the clothes, I'm talking. Nah, sippin' on codeine, give me a minute, wanna be trippin', lean to be slippin', I used to be drippin', hoes will be pimpin', little bitch I run her back, he gone like that, spin them backs, I got a hoes, they lining up, they just want me back, they just want me back, yeah, they just want me back, yeah, they just want me back, but I can feel in these hoes, I can feel it no more, they just want me back.
Alright, so now that the oil changes are out of the way, everything is starting to come together. We have a few more things that you'll see in the next video that get us closer, and then one more dyno day to get all the TCU stuff dialed in, and to go for our last and final power run. Hopefully, I really hope it's the last time we have to go to the dyno. Not that I don't like going there, it's cool, but it's expensive and time consuming, and you guys can probably imagine the rest. So now we have a little twist in the video. I'm gonna show you guys some driving footage, car breaking loose, doing some pulls, some just normal shifting. And then there was an event this weekend. The event is called MOTOFEST. It's one of the biggest events in Poland, and I was not able to go. I got the boys to film their experience there, and I hope you guys enjoy. So enjoy.
There's some nice sick looking X5, like my OG liked version of this car. Yeah, I'm in love with it. There's some M3 E36. There's the one of sickest one I ever saw, E92 BMW with the wide body on it. Also the wing is, yeah, let me show you. That wing is so fucking crazy. Like what the fuck? I mean, it looks weird, but I'm really in love with it. Yeah, I also got found a section with the old Mercedes. Yeah, motherfucker bought this shit. But look at this. It looks so fucking amazing with the wheels. But I was spinning wheels, right? Yeah. There, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber!
Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber!
No, don't touch this.
Carbon fiber!
It's not your car. It's... What's that?
It's, I guess, coal filter.
Carbon fiber? Carbon fiber? What do you think, guys? What's this?
I feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass.
O kurwa, witam.
Się nagrywa?
To się nagrywa.
Ja pozdrawiam ten cały YouTube.
Pozdrawiamy Drift Five. Cześć.
Tam Januar.
Bardzo elegancko, ja.
Hello. I'm street photographer.
Yo, we get it cooking in that lab like an alchemist. About to drop it heavy on your head. Are you down for this? Take me back to paradise, a place where all my problems them are paralyzed. I came up grinding, pushing out my sound for this. If you're representing for yourself, to make it known. Surrounded by these strangers, but my vibe is so alone. I bet we get this stuck up in your dorm. By the time you make it home, call my phone because I'm known to set the tone. I feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Yeah, yo, listen, gang shit, hit 'em up with that slang shit. Ride out man, don't plan shit, keep up with them antics. Nothing romantic, feel that kick, Sam Smith. If you speak my language, then you might understand this. Gang shit, hit 'em up with that slang shit. Ride out man, don't plan shit, keep up with them antics. Nothing romantic, feel that kick, Sam Smith. If you speak my language, then you might understand this. I feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it.
Just want me back, but I can feel in these hoes, I can feel it no more. They just want me back.